this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Pokecoins with Google Play Balance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to purchase any amount of Pokecoins using the balance available on the Google Play Store. So first, make sure that you are signed into the correct Google account. When you open Pokemon Go, you will be asked to sign in with your respective Google account, and the balance needs to be available on that specific one. Now, once you are inside, go over to the shop, and in here you can browse through all of the items. You can see how many Pokecoins you have, all the different bundles, limited edition offers. And to actually purchase Pokecoins, what I recommend is that you tap on the Pokecoin icon that you see at the top of the screen, or you can just scroll all the way down. You will find the Pokecoin offers at the bottom. So as you can see, you can buy a value ranging from 100 all the way up to 14,500. Choose any of these amounts. When you tap on the price, the Google Play prompt for checkout will appear, and now you can choose the payment method. If a card is selected by default, it's as simple as tapping on the card, and now you can browse through all of the payment methods, including the option to use your Google Play balance. Now, clearly on my account, I don't have enough balance, but if you do, it will be available for you to select here, and immediately upon selecting the balance, this purchase of Pokecoins will be made with the respective amount that you have on your Google account. You can add codes, so if you have a gift card and you still need to redeem it, it is going to be available here at the bottom, and you can add different payment methods as well, depending on your region. So all that you have to do is proceed to checkout and tap on the payment method that is currently being used. The option to use your balance is going to be available. Like I said before, if you have multiple payment methods attached, usually they will be selected automatically before using your balance. So it's important to check if balance is available by tapping on the payment methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Pokecoins with Google Play Balance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.